Bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all very well. So first of all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss les salutations françaises, which means the French greetings. This is the continuation video of my previous video. In the previous video, we had already discussed the importance of French greetings and some of the French greetings which we say when we meet someone and some of the French greetings which we say while departing and on taking leave. I will provide the link of my previous videos in both Hindi and English in the description box. If you want to watch my previous video, you can simply click and watch. So let us start this video. Before starting the video, I want to tell you one thing. I will be speaking the French pronunciation of the greeting word and you need to speak the English pronunciation of the greeting word. When you will repeat the pronunciation, you will learn the pronunciation. So please repeat the pronunciation. So, our first greeting word is bonne nuit. Repeat, bonne nuit. Again, bonne nuit. Very good. Bonne nuit means good night or have a good night. It is a formal and a neutral greeting word. As I have told in my previous video, all the greeting words have a formality in French. They can be formal, informal, and neutral. A formal greeting word is used in formal conditions, that means in the offices and with the people who are not known to you or older to you in age. Informal greeting word is used with people whom you know or the people who are smaller to you in age. And the neutral greeting word is a greeting word which can be used both formally and informally. So, the greeting word bonne nuit is formal as well as neutral. Next, a bientôt. Repeat, a bientôt. Again, a bientôt. Very good. A bientôt means see you soon. We use a bientôt when we say bye to people whom we are going to meet soon. It has the formality formal and neutral. Next, Adama. Repeat, Adama. Again, Adama. It means see you tomorrow. We use Adama to say bye to the people whom we are going to meet again tomorrow. It has the formality formal and neutral. Next, à la prochaine. Repeat, à la prochaine. Again, à la prochaine. It means see you next time. When we say bye to people whom we are going to meet again, but we don't know when, we use à la prochaine. It has the formality formal and neutral. Now, the greeting word 10 to 17 are the greeting words which we use when we say bye to the people whom we are going to meet on certain days of the week. We say alandi when we say bye to the person whom we are going to see on Monday. It has the formality formal and neutral. Repeat with me, a landi. Again, a landi. Again, a landi. Very good. Next, a merdi. Repeat, a merdi. Again, a merdi. It means see you on Tuesday. It has a formality formal and neutral. Next, a mercredi. Repeat, a mercredi. Again, a mercredi. It means see you on Wednesday. Next, a jeudi. Repeat, a jeudi. Again, a jeudi. It means see you on Thursday. Next, a vendredi. Repeat, a vendredi. Again, a vendredi. It means see you on Friday. Next, a samedi. Again, a samedi. Again, a samedi. It means see you on Saturday. Next, a dimanche. Again, a dimanche. Again, a dimanche. It means see you on Sunday. All these greeting words have the formality formal and neutral. So this was in today's video. If you have liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.